Why do 70% of freelancers struggle to find consistent work? The answer might surprise you. It's all about leveraging the right tools. Let's dive into how you can earn money fast using ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT, start by visiting the OpenAI website. Sign up or log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. Here you can start a new conversation by typing your query or prompt in the chat box. ChatGPT will respond with generated text based on your input. You can continue the conversation by typing follow-up questions or prompts. Remember to be clear and specific with your queries to get the best responses. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT. First, offer ChatGPT-based services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Clients are looking for creative solutions. AI-powered ones will catch their eye. Next, create and sell ebooks. Use ChatGPT to generate content quickly. Polish it up, add some graphics, and you've got a product ready to sell on Amazon or Gumroad. Third, think about running a niche blog. Use ChatGPT to help with content creation, SEO, and even responding to comments. Monetize your blog with ads and affiliate marketing. Lastly, offer tutoring or consulting services. ChatGPT can help you prepare lesson plans, presentations, and even mock client interactions. So what are you waiting for? Start leveraging ChatGPT today and watch your earnings soar. Hit that subscribe button for more tips. See you in the next video. In this chapter, we'll explore the various things you can do with ChatGPT. From generating creative content to assisting with customer service, ChatGPT offers a wide range of functionalities. Stay tuned to learn more. First, let's talk about creative content generation. Whether you're a writer suffering from writer's block or someone looking to create engaging social media posts, ChatGPT can be your go-to tool. Simply input your ideas and let ChatGPT do the rest. It can help you draft blog posts, write poetry, or even generate intriguing storylines for your next novel. The possibilities are endless. So, as you can see, ChatGPT is not just a tool for making money. It's a versatile assistant that can enhance various aspects of your life and work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.